Hi, so I'm going to share a few thoughts and best practices for running successful meetings and why meetings are so important. So meetings are ways for individuals and groups of people to stay in sync, to drive momentum on the work that they're progressing forward, and to problem solve quickly. So here are a few best practices to ensure that this happens successfully every time. So the first thing is to set a clear agenda. Spend some time in advance really visualizing what you need to achieve together in that meeting, who's responsible for what, and what materials are needed, both in advance and during that meeting. Be sure to send that out ahead of time so that people are prepared. The second thing is to think through timing. Really do manage the time in the room so that you cover everything, and also be early so that you can start the meeting on time as much as possible. Lastly, be sure to end with an action plan. Really set owners and deadlines before you leave that room to ensure progress afterwards. Good luck.